So this is an unboxing video for the original grain, all wood and stainless steel watch. I just got it from my package today. It's from my Kickstarter project. So comes with a nice little pamphlet showing off all the other different variations. I got the black on black version with just black wood and black stainless steel. So all the original grain watches come with a sapphire crystal glass, uses the Japanese Cortez movement, and well, let's take a look. So this is the box it comes in. Nice little original grain OG logo right there. Opens up. Actually come with a all natural bamboo box, which is very nice. So inside the box come with a OG sticker. So now let's move on. So yeah, this is a really nice watch box. So you open it up, you have the OG logo right here. Come with a couple extra claps, so makes it longer replacement. Right, and let's take a look at the watch. So this is nice. Alright, so of course it's covered in all this protective plastic. Having a little difficulty removing all this. Okay. And I actually got the OG Thunder. I don't know if you guys can see that logo from the Kickstarter. So use the butterfly clasp. When the clasp is closed, you have the OG logo right there. Just removing the plastic from the faceplate. So there's the watch itself. Yeah, you have the date, the OG logo, and come with a little tab that's stopping the watch from functioning right when it comes. There you go, and the entire band is made from natural wood. Very nice. The stainless steel, the rim around the glass is made from stainless steel, as far as I can tell. So it's a housing assembly, but overall, it's a very nice watch, and I'm definitely happy I funded the project. And hopefully, you know, just making this video just so other Kickstarter people that haven't received their watch can, you know, get a look, see exactly how it is. Alright, thank you very much for watching.